Zudio is a popular Indian fashion retail brand under the Trend Limited umbrella, which is part of the Tata Group. While Zudio itself is not publicly traded, it operates under Trend Limited, which is not listed on the Bombay Stock Exchange and the National Stock Exchange. To invest in Zudio indirectly, you would need to invest in Trend Limited shares. Here's how to do it. Choose a brokerage platform. To invest in Trend Limited, you need a brokerage account. Platforms like Zerodha, Upstocks, Grow or ICICI Direct allow you to trade on the BSE and NSE. Complete KYC. If you don't have a brokerage account, sign up and complete the Know Your Customer process by providing documents like your PAN card, Aadhaar card and bank details. Fund your account. Deposit funds into your trading account via bank transfer or UPI to ensure you have enough to buy shares of Trend Limited. Search for Trend Limited. Once your account is funded, search for Trend Limited by its ticker symbol Trend on your brokerage platform. Place your order. Enter the number of shares you wish to buy and confirm your order. You can opt for a market order or limit order, depending on the price you're willing to pay. Monitor your investment. Keep track of Trend Limited stock performance and adjust your holdings based on the market.